Yeah, I'm taking this bad boy today. Damn, it's been a while since I've driven the Mamalona. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm finally starting the build of the Z. I'm so fucking excited, man. I've waited so long for this shit, but I was waiting on some parts that the guy who provided the kit, he missed something, so I was waiting for that. I was hella chill about it, but it is what it is. People make mistakes, you know what I'm saying, and people forget shit. So yeah, I was saying, I was waiting on some parts, and I have all the kit now. It is what it is, you know, but I'm excited to start the build now. Today we're gonna be installing my clutch, my action clutch stage 3. I've already started. I've done like plenty of things off camera because I know it's a fucking like big process. But I'm gonna go home. Well, I'm at the store right now, the plug. I'm gonna get a NOS, some energy drinks, and yeah, I'm gonna go home and continue with taking off what I need to take it off. All I need to take off is the tranny and the clutch, flywheel, and everything else. But yeah, I'm not excited for it, but I'm excited to get over that whole process of the clutch thing. And yeah, it's about to be a bitch, but yeah, catch you guys when I get home. That's right, 2 of my favorite drinks. You see that? Damn, that's what I needed. Ready to start this fucking tranny. Ready to fucking take this tranny off and install the clutch. I've done some shit, you know, off camera that's kind of like boring and shit, but this is literally the whole kit. Well, not the whole kit, because I got the oil cooler, the clutch, the gauges, the cams, you know, with that intercooler, you know, that comp turbo, couplers, you know, the manifold. This shit looks fucking sexy as fuck. See those welds though? Sheesh. Can't wait to install all this onto the Z. The Z is about to turn into a fucking beast. You feel me? So you guys better subscribe to the channel because this shit's about to be fucking lit. All these installs videos and catch some rounds later on when I'm done tuning the car. You know, I got them gauges, got the oil catch cans, the clutch, oil cooler, cams, turbo, piping, manifold, all this shit. Got the spark plugs, fuel pump. You know, my injectors are right here. My injectors, you know, 750 here. Yeah. Oof, that looks fucking badass. Flywheel. And my stage 3. Damn, sick as fuck too. I've had this kit for almost a year. I've just been lazy to put it on. Yeah, but now it's the time. Not sure if it's gonna hold when I have the whole turbo kit, but who knows? Fuck it. Let's wing this shit. It should hold though. Nah, I'll get another one. Smooth. So fucking excited to start adding little by little into the Z. Oh, and also I'm not trying to make this a how-to, so I'm gonna skip most of this shit because I know most of this shit is boring. But yeah, I'm gonna skip most through it and you know, show you guys the interesting parts. So here's what I've been doing. Still haven't taken off the tranny. I took off the drive shaft pretty much, and all of the harness that attaches into the tranny. That's pretty much it, and take off the whole, you know, assembly of the clutch. But this shit's heavy as fuck, so I'm about to get my jack under here and start unbolting the housing, I think that's what it's called, of the tranny. And yeah, it should come right off. All right, so this is day 2 of my clutch replacement. I did finish it last night. I skipped everything because I think that shit's boring as fuck to watch. But I did replace it, and everything's ready to go. All I need to do is put back the drive shaft and you know, change the fluid on the tranny because I dropped it yesterday. Because if you guys know, that shit's heavy as shit, and I accidentally dropped some fluid, so I'm just gonna do the whole fluid change now that I can. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick and pick up some tranny fluid and try to finish the Z, because I need to drive it. I miss it. It's been a while since I've drove the Z, and gotta break in the clutch first and then slap on the kit. And I'm so anxious to just slap on the kit right now, but I know I need to break in the clutch first. So I'm trying to get the shit done ASAP and drive that shit everywhere, so that way I can slap on the kit, you know, as soon as possible. All done here. Alright, so everything's put back together. Low-key sucks, I gotta put the cats back on, and the white pipe. Big old waste of a time, but you know, gotta break in the clutch first, and then the fun comes after that. Damn, the Z's all finished now. Clutch installed, and we should be good to go. I did change the fluid on the transmission, so we should be solid on that one. But damn, that shit dirty as shit. Hopefully it grabs good. I'm gonna go for a little test drive real quick. That should feel like a little stiff as shit. Yeah, I was about to stall right there. Yo, this shit feels fucking good. That's stage 3. It's the pedal is a little hard though. Maybe just because it's new. But everything else feels fucking fine, like the shifter. I mean, that has nothing to do with it, but hey, that first gear, it's a little catchy. I'm not trying to drive it that hard because obviously I'm in the braking stage right now, but I want to do a pull so fucking bad. But I'll probably fuck this shit up. I'm just trying to get some miles in, like at least 400 miles in. That way I can feel like confident in myself that I kind of like broke it in. Whew, almost right there though. That shit feels good. Whew. This shit feels good. The catching point's a little high though, so I don't know what the fuck. I don't know if that's normal or not, but the catching point is like a little on the top. But overall, this shit feels good. I'm just trying to drive the shit out of this fucking Z. Now I can install the clutches. Hey, so, oh, almost stalled there. Damn, clean ass fucker. Oh. Hey, fucking carrying. This shit grabs like a motherfucker. Yeah, but I'm so excited that Z is literally back on the streets. But I'm trying to get back into the garage. That way I can install the motherfucking turbo kit. I still can't believe I got a turbo kit. Like, shit's still unreal. And I'm gonna be fucking driving the shit out of that and racing every motherfucker out here, just for funs. So happy that Z's back in the streets. Whew, almost all right there. Come on, bro, you about to merge in? Going 40? What the fuck? Let me know if you guys are excited to see the whole build come out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because, you know, shit is gonna come out. I'm about to start posting more on here because I got a lot of shit to install on the Z. So hope you guys are enjoying the content lately. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a fat thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to see more content.